Hello friends, welcome back to the third video of the topic plane. So in this video we will be looking at the third scenario of the plane. क्या हुआ भाई पहले वीडियो में क्या हुआ we have seen the first scenario where our line was passing through the point A and one vector n bar which is a normal vector to the plane was given. In the second video we have seen the second scenario where the plane is passing through the same point A and it is having the B bar and C bar lying on that plane. Now in the third scenario, our plane is passing through three non-collinear points A, B, C. Non-collinear means what? भाई अलग अलग जगह पे है, ठीक है. So let's have a picture, clear picture. Okay, this is the plane and suppose this is the point A, this is the point C, and suppose this is the point B we have. Okay, so this is what the 3 points, your plane is passing through the three points, then how you will get the equation of this plane. Okay, so definitely you will understand this third scenario only when you understand these two scenarios. The base is what? First one. Okay, now let's make use of the concepts which we have studied in the first and second video and let's try to get the equation of this type of plane. Tell me, if A, B, C are the non-collinear points, I can easily draw these two vectors. Okay, AB bar and AC bar I can easily draw. Let me take one simple point R, any general point R with position vector R bar. Okay, let's have this AR bar also. Now tell me what information you require to get the equation of a plane. I require the point through which your plane is passing and I require the n bar. Now tell me, with the help of this AC bar and AB bar, can you get the n bar? Yes, of course. If I take the cross multiplication of AB bar and AC bar, I will get the n bar, which is nothing but AB bar cross AC bar. That's it. I get the point A through which our plane is passing and I get the normal vector which is perpendicular to the plane. That's it, but this is the equation of a plane. So how you will write? With the help of this first one. Okay, so R bar dot n bar is equals to A bar dot n bar. But in this case, what is n bar? N bar is nothing but B bar cross C bar. So R bar dot AB bar cross AC bar, it is equals to A bar dot AB bar cross AC bar. Okay, this is what the equation of a plane, third scenario. Okay, now what will be the Cartesian equation of this plane? So I'll be giving you that Cartesian equation directly. See, simply अगर आपका concept clear है ना, तो you can directly write down the Cartesian equation of plane. For that, what you require? I require the position vector of this point A and I require the position vector of this AB bar cross AC bar. Okay, so I am writing directly here. Cartesian equation of this plane is given as, so it is x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, determinant of x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1. So this is what the equation of a plane in the Cartesian form. Okay, of course this is equals to 0. That is the same, the product of this, that is the summation of a product of the direction ratios is equals to 0. Okay, so direction ratio AB का direction ratio क्या है? It is x1 minus x2. AC का डायरेक्शन रेशियो क्या रहेगा? x1 माइनस x3 माइनस x1. ओके, सेम है बॉस, कुछ नहीं है अलग, कुछ नहीं है, कंसेप्ट सेम है. ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट द कार्टेशियन इक्वेशन ऑफ दिस प्लेन. लेट्स टेक वन सिंपल एग्जांपल एंड लेट्स सी हाउ वी कैन सॉल्व और मेक यूज ऑफ दिस कंसेप्ट. सो क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट? फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ अ प्लेन पासिंग थ्रू a in bracket 1 1 2 1 comma 1 comma 2, b in bracket 0 2 3 0 comma 2 comma 3, and c in bracket it is 4 comma 5 comma 6. This is what the point through which your plane is passing. So I want to find out the equation of a plane. Okay, let's solve, let's get the both equations, the primary, that is the vector equation, and the Cartesian equation both. Okay, chalo. So for that what you require is, I require the first AB bar. So let's find out AB bar. AB bar is equals to B bar minus A bar, which is nothing but 0 minus 1, it is minus I, 2 minus 1, it is plus J, and 3 minus 2, it is plus K. AB bar हो गया. Get AC bar. AC bar is nothing but C bar minus A bar, which is nothing but 4 minus 1 is 3I, 5 minus 1 is plus 4J, and 6 minus 2 is plus 4K. Okay, AB bar हो गया, AC bar हो गया. Just make use of the formula, that is R bar dot AB bar cross AC bar and A bar dot. Okay, so you require A bar also. So let's get the position vector of this point A, which is nothing but I plus J plus 2K. Okay, so let's get the equation, which is R bar dot AB bar cross AC bar equals to A bar dot AB bar cross AC bar. Okay, परफेक्ट. सो इसके लिए हम लोगों को पहला ए बी बार क्रॉस ए सी बार निकालना पड़ेगा. चलो वो भी निकाल लेते हैं. सो ए बी बार क्रॉस ए सी बार which is equals to, so I am finding the vector equation, that's why it is taking this much time. So it is I j k, a b bar is nothing but minus 1 1 1, and AC bar is nothing but 3 4 4. Let's solve for this determinant. So I in bracket 4 minus 4 is 0, minus j in bracket we have minus 4 minus 3, and plus k in bracket we have minus 4 and minus 3 again. Perfect. So it is equals to minus 7 minus minus plus 7j, and we have minus 7k. ये हो गया अपना ए बी बार क्रॉस ए सी बार. ओके, सो सब्स्टिट्यूट इन दिस इक्वेशन, सो यू विल बी गेटिंग आर बार dot 7j minus 7k equals to A bar, which is nothing but I plus j plus 2k into, that is dot 7j minus 7k, which is equals to I dot I तो 0 आ जाएगा. So j dot j is nothing but 7, 2 minus 7 is nothing but minus 14. So answer आ गया मेरा minus 7. Okay, so what is the final equation you are getting is R bar dot 7j minus 7k, which is equals to minus 7. So you can take 7 common and you can remove that 7. Okay, so this is what the required equation of plane in the vector form. Okay, in the vector form. Now how you will get in the Cartesian form? Simple, boss. Simply you take this determinant and you use all this determinant. Okay, so let me take those 3 coordinate points, so it will be easy for us to solve. Okay, so copy and let's paste here somewhere, paste. Okay, so let's solve for this determinant. So I will be directly writing. So it is x minus x1, x minus x1. So this is x1 y1 z1, x2 y2 z2, and x3 y3 z3 I am taking. So x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. So it is a 3 minus 2. Okay, then x3 minus x1, which is x3 is nothing but 4, 4 minus 1, then we have 5 minus 1, then we have 6 minus 2. Okay, so if you solve this, you will be getting x minus 1, y minus 1, z minus 2, then you will get minus 1, it is plus 1, it is 1, it is 3, 4, and it's again 4. So if you solve this, you will be getting, so it is x minus 1 just into 0. Perfect. So it is minus y minus 1 into, you will be having minus 4 minus 3 minus 7, and plus z minus 2 into bracket again -4 -3 -7 it is equals to 0 ओके ये तो 0 हो गया, इसका कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. सो माइनस माइनस प्लस, सो इट इज 7y -7 -7z minus minus plus 14 it is equals to 0. So 7y minus 7z it is equals to -7. That's it. As I have already told you, if you want to get the Cartesian equation from this vector equation, just substitute xi, yj and zk, you will get the same equation. See here, if you observe very carefully, these two equations are same, no problem. Okay, so you can jump from anywhere. कार्टेशियन टू वेक्टर भी जा सकते हो, वेक्टर टू कार्टेशियन भी जा सकते हो. ओके अभी यहाँ से वेक्टर में कैसे जाना है, ये y एंड z मतलब क्या है, ये j रहेगा और ये k रहेगा. दैट्स इट. इट इज 7j - 7k. अभी j k लिख रहे हो तो यहाँ पे r बार डाल दो, इट इज इक्वल्स टू -7. कुछ नहीं बॉस, इट्स वेरी वेरी सिंपल. इट्स वेरी वेरी सिंपल. ओके दैट्स ग्रेट. सो with this we have seen the fifth equation of the plane in the third scenario. Okay, perfect. So in the next video we will be looking at the last scenario where we will be finding the equation for plane in the normal form. Okay, so be with me, don't worry, we'll make this topic very very simple. Thank you.